Leoni K.
No.
No.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, hey guys, hang on.
Okay.
Well, serious. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm joined with the lovely Leonia.
Yeah.
And today we're going to be filming what is in our kanken, and we're gonna have to go really fast because my camera's gonna die, and if it does, I might have to move on to my iPhone, which is not great, but let's do it.
We also filmed a video on my channel if you guys want to see what that is.
Yes, basically we filmed a video on her channel if you'd like to check that out, and it's a playlist video and we've got cool music. Mukbang,
whatever they're called.
because you like bang with the mucks.
Oh, my top's undone. Okay, should we get started? Do you want to go first? Is it your video?
So this is my bag. I've got the, what is this one? This is like the navy blue, like washed out blue. I've had this for a very long time. Put like badges on it because like I've got scratches on it and like I need to cover it up. And I've got like this animal equality badge, this rocket badge, this cereal is happiness held together by milk, and the humane league badge right here.
Such vegan. Mine! My bag is the mustard one. Mustard! My bag mustard one, I got this at Christmas, so not long ago, so it's still in good condition. There's still a little bit dirty there because I like to leave it on the floor outside anywhere.
Me.
And I don't have any badges because my badges are all on my... oh my god, they've disappeared. Oh. Okay, I lose all my badges apparently.
Me too. Got the mini one of this, but I carry this one around because this matches my outfit anyway, so it's all good. It's all good, my dude. Okay, so if I open up, I'm going to open up my front pocket. So in my front pocket, I call it a mess.
Like my life.
Because I've just got literally a lipstick case, some lip gloss from Glossier. Check them out, they're pretty cool. Got some mascara, got a pen, hand gel, pencils.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's all that stuff's in my front.
Well, I'll just quickly go. I've got some Tangled headphones, my bus pass, my college pass, which you can see.
Yummy.
Gum, even though I think there's like a half in there. Scrunchie. Paracetamol. This is a mess as well, if I didn't mention. Paracetamol, because I tend to die a lot.
Me!
Ambisol, because I had an ulcer. There's another paracetamol loose. There's more. There's lip balm. There's a mirror. There's, hold on.
There's more lip balm.
There's another lip balm, a lipstick, another lipstick, my keys, a wrapper, and last but not least, a little Victoria's Secret perfume, and there's like a few hair grips. And that's all that's in my front pocket. That's a lot, wow.
That is a lot, okay. That is actually a lot. I've got lots of rubbish in there as well, I just did not show you.
Thing is,
I've got like receipts hanging around.
You can't even tell there's loads in there.
And it's just like, I don't know why I have it in here, but I have my purse, and it's from Skinny Dip, and it says $1 on it, and it's really nice, and
are we doing like one thing at a time?
Yeah.
I've got, okay, actually, the first thing, I actually didn't even know this was in here, is my friend's hat, because I actually need to return it. Actually, I think I might just keep it, sorry if he's watching this, which probably is, yeah. My hat.
I've got also some earphones. They're not usually this tangled up, I don't know why, I always fold them.
Do you?
Yeah.
Mine always get tangled.
Mine don't. I always, this guy's tips and tricks, fold them up.
But then mine's still tangled.
No, it works, trust me.
Okay,
basically, you take your earphones like
it's not a
this.
tutorial.
You take your earphones,
Yeah.
watch when the camera dies. You take your earphones like this, then like this,
Yeah.
then like this.
Yeah.
You kind of go like that.
Yeah.
Then you put this through,
Yeah.
and then it won't tangle up. You just drop that in your bag.
You know my earphones are actually broken.
Like that.
Okay, should I go?
Yeah.
So the next thing I have is these glasses, which I got yesterday, and I didn't actually include in my vlog, but
I also got glasses.
I'm just gonna...
They look like this. They're really cool. I need to clean them, but they're yellow and pretty dope, I have to say. So yeah, got those.
My glasses.
I've got a makeup bag and it's just got badges on it. It's from Sleek, but it's got stuff in there.
Ooh, I have a makeup bag as well. And inside we just have my little bits that I take around with me. And this is from Skinny Dip and it's a little cloud.
Love it. Cute up. So I have this. They're my favourite glasses. Basically, they're from how do you say that? Firmoo?
No, that's picture glasses.
No, it's Firmoo.
Oh, okay.
Firmoo. Or Firm. I don't know. But they sent me these glasses and they look like this. And they're really, really nice. And they're just really nice. You can put your prescription in them.
Oh yeah.
So if you don't like the glasses in the optician,
which I probably don't like them, do you?
Then just go there and they've got loads of different
Can
glasses.
I model them as well?
Yeah,
because
yeah,
I tend to like my face more than I'm joking. I'm joking. No.
But yeah, this is how they look like. If you want, if you want to get them, discount code will be displayed on the screen. Right here somewhere. Here.
Yeah.
And yeah.
This is what they look like on a pretty
And I'll link them and I'll link them down below. So if you want those exact ones, they're really nice. They match a lot of things. So, yeah. This is not a sponsor. They just literally sent them to me to see how they are, and I genuinely.
They're like a rose gold. It's nice.
It's in a really nice case, by the way.
Yeah, it's like
Look,
a map.
It's like a map, and I love that.
Anyway, I'm just gonna do 2 at a time here because body spray, deodorant. You might smell, you might not.
Perfume, charger.
Sorry.
Who's that?
Oh, we're filming.
Perfume and a spray. This perfume spray, a charger.
My next thing was my phone, but I'm just gonna. You just saw that.
Yeah, me too. I'm just not gonna show you my phone because, like, I've got this bag, which is my emergency bag, and I've got like
pencils,
and I've got loads of like little things like hand cream and brush and eye drops and.
That's cute. A tiny teaser.
Yeah, and I usually have a pad in here, but I use that. And then
my pads and tampons are at the back.
Old Bass inhaler, just in case, and I need that right now.
Well,
but yeah,
I've got
my emergency bag.
Rubbers, pens, pencils, highlighters, sharpeners. Because I've got college, or I've got a sketchbook in there.
I've got a pen in here, and I've also got.
I've got a pen in. That's
this notebook, and I just stuck a sticker on it, and I just literally write poems down. And I've also got a lip gloss, and this is the NYX Butter Gloss in Praline, which is really, really nice. I really like that.
Should I go to my next?
Yeah.
I
think I've got my final things.
I've got my final 3 things.
Okay.
Should I just do them now?
Yeah, go.
So, water bottle. Stay hydrated.
Yeah.
My purse is a Skinny Dip.
I usually have water as well.
And it says, life's a peach. The zip's broken. And, wait.
You just ignore it. Ignore it.
Okay. Anyway, and then, yeah.
Then this book. Oh my god, this book.
This book, bitch.
This book.
She has it as well.
I have it as well, and it's just literally both of us.
I always carry around a book, whether it's poetry or like this or like my reading book.
Yeah.
This is
space because I came to stay at yours.
Fat Ugly Vegan. Eat, drink, and live like you give a sh. Anyway, yeah.
It's really cool. I'll link it down below if you want to buy that.
It's really good. And I think.
Oh yeah, I've got my Oyster card as well.
Yeah.
I'm just not going to show you that because it's the point.
You guys can see my tampon. It's out. Hey, who let her out? Oh my god. Wait, why let her out? Where's the pocket?
I think that's it for my like weekend kind of bag.
Yeah.
If you want like a school bag thing, then definitely give this video a thumbs up.
What if
I don't know. But yeah, they're really cute, and yeah, I love you guys so much. If you want to see more videos with me and Leonie, then we definitely will. I don't care what you think.
Yeah. Also vlogs, so.
Yeah, there's gonna be a vlog. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below any video suggestions. Subscribe, the button is somewhere here. Press the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And yeah, love you guys so much. Bye.
Bye guys. Bye.